Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Alex and Anna English. I'm Anna, and today I have a question. A question for Alex.
Uh-oh, a question. Should I be nervous?
Maybe a little. Alex, when did you last do something just for fun? Not for work, not for money, just fun.
Hmm, wow, that's actually a hard question.
I know. That's why I'm asking.
Okay, let me think. Last week I worked, then I worked again.
Alex, that's not a hobby.
I know. Honestly, I forgot what a hobby feels like.
See, this is the problem. So many people stop having hobbies.
Right, we get busy, we get tired, and fun becomes the last thing.
Exactly. But today, let's change that. Let's talk about hobbies in English.
I like that. Easy topic, good words.
So tell me, Alex, what did you love to do as a kid?
Oh, that's easy. I loved drawing. I drew every day after school. I filled whole notebooks with pictures.
Really? What did you draw?
Mostly cars and one very ugly dog.
An ugly dog?
Yeah, my mom said it looked like a potato.
A potato dog. That's amazing.
I even drew during math class.
Oh no, did your teacher see?
Once, she was not happy at all.
But that's a lovely memory, right?
It is, but I stopped when I got older. No time, you know?
That's so common. We grow up and stop. But here's a nice phrase for you. You can always pick up a hobby again.
Pick up a hobby?
Yeah, here, pick up means to start a new hobby or start again.
Oh, nice. So I can pick up drawing again.
Exactly. Pick up drawing, pick up the guitar, pick up cooking. Any hobby you like.
Got it. That's a useful phrase.
Try using it today, everyone.
Okay, my turn. What about you as a kid?
Me, I collected stickers.
Stickers? How many?
Hundreds, maybe more. I had a big book full of them. Shiny ones, animal ones, star ones.
That's so cute. Do you still have it?
Yes, it's in a box somewhere. Sometimes I open it and just smile.
See, that's a real happy memory.
Right. Hobbies give us happy memories.
You know, my brother collects coins.
Oh, coins from different countries?
Yes, he has coins from 20 countries. He shows everyone. He's so proud of them.
That's wonderful. He found his thing.
His thing?
Yeah, everyone has their own thing. For me, it's plants. For him, coins.
And for me, a potato dog.
Exactly. Now you're learning.
Okay, but what about now? What's your hobby these days?
Oh, this is my favorite part. I love my plants.
Plants? Like in the garden?
No, inside my house, I have 20.
20 plants in one house?
Yes, maybe 22 now.
Anna, that's not a hobby. That's a jungle.
Hey, don't laugh at my babies.
Your babies?
I talk to them every morning.
Wait, you talk to your plants?
Of course, they're very good listeners.
Better than me, probably.
Honestly, sometimes yes.
Okay, that hurts a little.
No, it just makes me happy, and that's the whole point of a hobby.
Good point.
A hobby doesn't need a big reason. It just needs to make you feel good.
I like that. But can I be honest?
Always.
I don't think I have a hobby now. Is that bad?
No, not bad, but let's fix it today. Everyone listening, think with us. What do you do in your free time?
Good question. What do people do?
Let's make a small list together. Some people read, some people cook,
Some people play sports.
some people take photos, and some people just sleep.
Sleeping is not a hobby, Anna. For me it is. I'm very good at it.
Well, okay, you win that one, but hobbies come in every shape.
That's true. There's no wrong answer.
Right, your hobby is just yours.
But Anna, here's my real problem. When I get home, I'm so tired. I just want to sit and do nothing.
I understand. Everyone feels that way. But a hobby can give you energy.
Wait, give energy, not take it?
Yes, a good hobby is like a rest for your busy mind.
Hmm, I never thought about it that way.
Try it once, just 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, that sounds easy.
And you don't need to spend money.
Oh, really?
No, a walk is free, a song is free.
That's a really good point.
Small start, that's all you need.
So, Anna, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you have to be good at a hobby?
Interesting question.
I mean, I can't draw well now, so why should I draw at all?
Wait, no, I don't agree with that. You don't need to be good.
Really? But everyone online is so good.
Forget online. That's not real life. Let me tell you a quick story.
Okay, I'm listening.
Last year, I tried painting. I bought paint, brushes, everything.
Nice. And how did it go?
Oh, it was terrible. My first painting looked like a car crash.
A car crash? Really?
Yes, my friend asked, "What is that?" And I said, "It's a beautiful sunset."
Oh no. What did he say?
He looked confused for a long moment. Then he said, "Oh, nice colors."
That's a very kind friend.
Very kind. He tried hard to be nice.
Poor guy. So kind.
But you know what? I loved every minute,
Even though it was bad?
especially because it was bad. I wasn't thinking about work. I wasn't checking my phone. I was just there, happy and calm.
That actually sounds really nice.
That's the magic of a hobby. It pulls you out of your busy head.
So it's like a little escape.
Yes, a happy escape, just for you.
I think everyone needs that.
We really do. Life gets so loud.
Okay, I think I get it now.
And here's another useful phrase. People often kill time with a hobby.
Kill time? That sounds a bit scary.
It's not, don't worry. Kill time means to fill your free time, usually when you're waiting or a bit bored.
Oh, I see. Like at the airport.
Perfect example. You kill time before a flight.
So I read a book to kill time.
Exactly. You've got it.
Kill time. I really like that one.
It's very common. Native speakers say it daily.
My sister knits to kill time.
Oh, knitting. That's a great hobby.
She makes hats for the whole family.
Even in summer?
Even in summer, we have too many hats.
But she's happy, right?
Very happy. And we are all warm.
See? A hobby helps other people too.
That's a nice way to see it.
And a hobby can help you make friends.
Oh, that's true.
You meet people who love the same thing.
Like a running group or a cooking class.
Exactly. You share, you learn, you grow.
So a hobby is never really alone.
Right. It brings people together.
Okay, everyone, quick fun break. If you're enjoying this chat, drop a like and follow Alex and Anna English for more.
Yes, it really helps us keep going. Plus, my plants say thank you.
Of course they do.
Okay, back to you, Alex. What hobby will you pick up?
Maybe I'll try cooking.
Ooh, cooking. I like that.
I made pasta once. It was okay.
Only okay?
Well, I burned the first one, and the second one, and the third.
3 burned pastas? Wow.
But the fourth one was great.
See? You didn't give up.
You're right. I kept trying. I also tried running once.
Running. How did that go?
I ran for 10 minutes and stopped.
10 minutes? That's still something.
Then I sat on a bench for an hour.
Well, at least you went outside.
True. The fresh air was really nice.
Maybe try walking first, then running.
Walking? I can do walking.
Start slow. Your body will thank you.
Okay, walking it is.
See? Not every hobby has to stick.
Right. You just try and you see.
And that's the real lesson today. A hobby is not about being good, it's about feeling good.
Oh, I really like that.
Say it to yourself this week.
Let me say it again, slowly. A hobby is not about being good, it's about feeling good.
That's it. keep that in your heart.
So here's a small task for everyone. This weekend, do one thing just for fun.
Not for work, not for money.
Draw a potato dog. Talk to a plant.
Or burn some pasta like Alex.
Hey, my pasta is famous now.
And then tell us in the comments, what hobby will you pick up?
We read every comment. We really do.
So that's it for today, friends. Go and have some fun. You deserve it.
Thanks for listening to Alex and Anna English.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.